Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing only what you need. Make sure notifications for friend requests and people you may know are on. Next, use Facebook's search box to enter a name, city, workplace, or school, then apply filters for mutual friends to shrink results. Once done, scan each profile for shared groups, recent posts, or tagged photos to confirm relevance. This prevents random requests. You'll act fast but thoughtfully, prioritizing connections with clear context and mutual ties. Now you move into outreach. If the profile is open, click Add Friend and include a concise message explaining who you are and the mutual connection or group. This increases acceptance. If the profile is private, follow them first and interact with a public post by liking or commenting to build familiarity. Once done, wait a day before sending a friend request. That window helps them recognize you. Make sure to avoid generic lines. Personalized context is why people accept. Finish by confirming connections. When someone accepts, send a friendly welcome message referencing the mutual friend or group so they remember you. If requests go unanswered, reassess, try a different mutual contact, refine your message, or engage more visibly in shared groups before retrying. Make sure to space attempts and respect privacy. Repeated requests look pushy. If you encounter harassment or fake profiles, report or block them immediately. But otherwise, accept that not everyone will respond and move on.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.